inchworm.
You really suck at this.
It's like a little kid with a sweatpants. Woo!
She's rocking it now, baby.
Go!
Draw a line on the road. This looks like the spot where she can go.
She's still going. Like a drunk snail.
A drunk snail? That's how you describe her sliding? I got a rope. I'm gonna hook her to it when I get on the flat. Alright. We have this. We have a trailer hitch. We have a Jeep. How can this go wrong?
Don't say that. We're gonna
Feet up.
Are you ready to die? Yep. I love you. He's gonna like floor it. We're gonna die. I love you. I love you. Oh god. La 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 la. Merry Christmas. You better be watching us because I can't make it stop. We're gonna die. I can't see. I can't see! My eyes aren't functioning. Keep going! Go! What'd you stop for? That was freaking awesome. You're gonna do it.
Okay. Careful.
I'm frozen to death.
Of course you are.
Holy crap. Go, Jordan!
Alright. Plastic sled, 300 pounds, 6'1" guy. Alright, how can this go bad? Oh yeah, look at that. She's trying to rip my Jeep all to shreds. Oh, nice. Oh, son of a biscuit. Look at that one. Woo! Oh, crap. She's trying to kill me. Oh, no. Stick to the head. Woo! Wow. Oh. Lady. Oh, ah. Woo! I can't get up.
Wasn't that fun? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, that's right. Whew. Here's our destruction of the sled.
How you send off a sled? It was already dying.
It was.
Killed it.